Hi, my name is Kate, and I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow loom star charm, and it looks like this. This is my own design that I created. You'll need 2 looms, 26 rubber bands, and your hook. So, let's get started. Grab one of the rubber bands and place it from here to here. Then, grab 2 yellow rubber bands and place it from here to here. Then 2 again, place it from here to here. And then the other 2 from here to here. Now 2 again from here to here. Another 2 from here to here. 2 again here, and bring it in, and another 2 from here and bring it in. Now take 2 and put it from here to here. Now grab another 2 from here to here and do the same with the opposite side. From here to here, and then 2 again, and from the middle all the way to the end, and from the middle again, and pull it all the way and reach the end. Now that you're done, the star should be fully completed like that. Now, turn the loom over and face it to now where it's facing towards you. Grab another rubber band, make an 8, and put it on to where you finish with all the parts. Now, grab your hook and let's start looming. Push back the cap rubber band, grab the one on the top, and pull it to where it came from. Then grab the next part, which is right here, pull it around and all the way to where it came from. Now this part, pull it up and over, and now that you're done, your cap rubber band should look like a pyramid. Now, take the one in the middle and pull it up and over. Now, with the other sides, take the bottom and pull it to the top. Then the other side, take the bottom and pull it to the top. Now this one all the way from underneath and around, and this one up and over, and then the last part up and over. Now that you're done, it should look like this. Now let's go back to working on the other side. grab from all the way under the bottom and pull it up and over. And then this part up and over. Then the bottom and then up and over. Now the star is fully complete and it should look like this. Now that you're done, grab your hook and go all the way underneath it and take the one that's all the way on the bottom and then bring it up. It's kind of hard to take it off with one rubber band because it usually pops. So instead of just taking it off, I just take off the bottom part and then I go up. But first you have to make a knot. So take this part on the bottom and grab it and then take this off and pull it. Now take off the bottom from the bottom, the ends of the stars, and take it all off. It's kind of hard to get off this part. So, there. Now that you're done, the star looks like this. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays and bye.